Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where Word, Excel, or PowerPoint has run into an error that is preventing it from working correctly, I mean, this is the statement of the error. It would say Word has run into an error that is preventing it from working correctly, or for Excel or PowerPoint, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, the main solution is to run Office application as an administrator. For example, if it's Word, right click on it and select Run as Administrator. Okay, but if it is preventing you administrator accesses, because it does it a lot of times, so search for user account control or UAC in the Windows search bar and open UAC settings. Pull it down by 1 degree, click on OK, and then try again. Do it till the problem is solved. The last solution is to repair MS Office. And how would you do that? So here's the thing, search for Microsoft 365 in the Windows search bar and expand this option here. Select app settings, scroll down, click on repair, wait for it to be done till you get a tick mark, and then select reset and wait for it to be done till you get a tick mark. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.